Hi guys, thank you so much for watching today. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome. And if you are returning, we appreciate your support. If you are interested in DIYs, organization videos, motherhood videos, lifestyle, shopping hauls, and shopping hauls, then you have definitely tuned into the right channel. Today's video is something special because, as you know, if you are watching this during the holiday season, we have promised to upload 2 videos a week for the rest of the year. Yes, I said it, 2 videos a week for the rest of the year. And this week's video is going to be a cornbread recipe. Now, don't come for me in the comments. Let me stop you right there. I know I am not from the South, but I really feel like you should just give me a little chance because I think you're really gonna like this. So stay tuned. First, we're starting off with 3 cups of flour and 1 cup of cornmeal. Then we're going to do a baking powder and salt, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. We'll have 2 eggs. We're then gonna have some melted butter, and I do have the honey at the bottom. That'd be 2 tablespoons of honey and a 1/3 cup of melted butter. And then you have your vegetable oil. That's going to be 2/3 cup. And this recipe would be enough for 12 people, so you can always half it if you want half or double if you want more. So we're gonna start off first with just mixing up the flour and the cornmeal together. And the next thing we're going to do is pour in that sugar and incorporate that as well. Next, we're going to throw in our salt and our baking powder. Incorporate that. And then the first wet ingredient we're going to add is the vegetable oil. Now this will be a little tough to put in, but you want to get a little bit of those lumps going. And as you can see, that sticky stuff at the bottom there was the residual honey. I did melt the butter and keep the honey at the bottom so it's easier to pour out. We've got our 2 eggs here, so we're going to incorporate that. And lastly, we're going to add in 2.5 cups of whole milk or evaporated milk. Personally, I love to use evaporated. It just works out better. We're gonna get a pan. You can do 1 big loaf pan, or I've chosen the mini loaf pans. You're gonna go ahead and distribute the batter into each of the individual loaves or the 1 large loaf pan. You're gonna bake that for 35 minutes and then you get all of this goodness. It's so hot, you can see the heat coming from it, and you got to see how this breaks. Oh my god, look at that. And you could tell it's not as gritty as your typical cornbread. It has more of a cake texture. It's not as grainy, which I personally like. You can do it one of 2 ways. You can have it as a quick snack, put a little maple butter on it, or you can choose to have it with a meal. And that's all, guys. Thank you guys so much for joining us today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, also for the love of Peyton. Until next time.